Work trip or victory party? Well, the question is exploding online because the man at the center of it, he is not an athlete, he is not a coach, but he is the director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, Mr. Kash Patel. And the setting? Well, a locker room in Milan. Moments after the team USA made history. Yes, the golden moment. The United States men's hockey team had just defeated Canada by 2-1 in overtime. A nail biting finish, by the way. A roaring crowd and long awaited triumph. Well, that's America's first Olympic men's hockey gold since 1980s. The stage, the 2026 Winter Olympics, and the celebration, it was wild, it was loud, it was amazing. And then came the video. Social media lit up, clips showed Kash Patel inside the locker room. He was laughing, he was holding a beer, he was spraying the drinks. Well, at one point, a player even placed a gold medal around his neck. Players were cheering, music was blasted. It looked like he was part of the team. After that, Patel responded. Soon after, Patel posted a message on X. He said that he was humbled to be invited. He said that he loves America. He described it as a proud, historic moment. Now, from his perspective, this was patriotism. It was celebration. It was like an honor. But not everybody is cheering. Here comes the controversy. Critics are asking uncomfortable question. Was this an official visit or a personal trip? Should the head of the FBI be seen partying in a locker room overseas? Was taxpayers' money really involved here? Privately funded? The optics, as they say in politics, it really matters. You know why this is hitting a nerve? You might think it's a small thing, but FBI is not just any agency. It handles national security of the United States of America, counter-terrorism, serious federal investigation, a director's role. It is heavy. It is serious, it is symbolic. So, when videos show the nation's top law enforcement official spraying champagne, reactions are bound to be divided. Right now on social media, it is supporters versus critics. Supporters say that he is human. He was celebrating an American victory. He was invited by the player. Well, what's wrong with that? But in the meantime, critics argue that timing matters, image matters, accountability matters, specifically for somebody in such a powerful position. Let's look at a bigger picture. It's not just about hockey. It's about public trust. That's right, about the fine line between official duty and personal celebration. If it was Donald Trump, it would have made sense, but FBI director, that's kind of fishy. And yes, the question is how leaders are perceived in the age of viral video. In seconds, a locker room clip has become a national debate. So here's the final question, ladies and gentlemen. Was it a harmless patriotic moment or a misstep in judgment? One historic gold medal, one viral celebration, and now the public conversation about power, about optics, and about responsibility, because in today's world, even a victory party, it can turn into a political storm.